Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by proving your account is healthy. Sign in at iCloud. And confirm Apple ID plus two-factor authentication. Once done, export or forward any critical messages so nothing is lost during fixes. Make sure your device is running the latest iOS or Mac OS release because many mail issues stem from outdated clients. If you use a secondary mail app, quit it now to avoid sync conflicts. This clears simultaneous connections and prepares a clean environment for the next steps. Next, reset the sync. Toggle mail off in iCloud settings, wait 30 seconds, then toggle it back on to force a fresh sync. If mail still refuses to update, remove the iCloud account from your device and add it again. This clears corrupted local data and restarts server sync. While you're at it, inspect iCloud storage. Mail sync can stall when storage is full, so free at least 1 GB. After re-adding the account, open Mail and allow several minutes for full reindexing. For stubborn cases, sign out of iCloud completely and sign back in to refresh all services. This is often the final corrective step for persistent sync errors. On a Mac, rebuild mailboxes in Mail app or carefully delete the mail data cache so messages re-download cleanly. If you still see errors, collect diagnostics and contact Apple support. Give them exact error messages and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: test on another device or iCloud. To isolate whether the problem is device-specific or server-side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.